how to fix some sites not working on Opera GX browser. So if you're also facing such issue, here's what you need to do. So first, just open up your Opera GX browser and simply head over to your settings under your left section, and once you're inside here, just select privacy and security, and once you click on it, click on security option, and from over here just make sure you disable this always use secure connection over here only for that particular downloads or when you face search error, and just come back. And next thing what you want to do is under the same privacy and security, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called ads and third party. So you can also actually allow third party for that download purposes, and simply click on this pop-up or ads, and you can just click on the sites can send pop-up, or you can also actually add for that one and only particular sites in which you want to allow everything, and you can later on disable it by doing the same process. So thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.